Hello everyone, welcome to FastLink Academy. I am Bashir Abayaro and I will be taking you through tutorials on FastLink Academy. So today what we'll be learning is how to create a mini e-commerce website. So what I mean by mini e-commerce website is like a website where you upload your products you sell and other people will be able to access your products through a link. So in this tutorial we'll be learning how to create a mini WhatsApp e-commerce website. These are examples of WhatsApp e-commerce stores. For example, you can see number one, we have Dumbliss Organic Skincare. That's the name of the website. This is the second one, rewalent.was.biz. That's also the second WhatsApp. So let's check this. Let's copy this link and let's check what we have there. So I'll paste this here. I'll paste that link I just copied. So as you can see, so look at it, Royal Enterprise. You can see this is his phone number, the owner of the store. This is his phone number. This is the person's address. This is the business address. Once you come here, you can see that these are the products there. So there are not much products here. So you can see that's all we have. So let's check the first website. Copy that, then I'll copy that, then paste it here again. Let's see how it is. So jackpot, look at this. Look at how interesting it is. Look at Dumbliss Organic Care. Look at their logo, and this is their cover picture, their WhatsApp phone number, and then their business address. So let's check their store. What do they have? Look good. Look at this. They have different products. They have different products. We have pink lips, glow cream, stretch marks, face repair, glow black soap, big size, small size. So you can see these are different products on this store, and it is the owner that uploaded it. You can see them with price. So you can create this type of e-commerce website very easily. You can create this type of e-commerce website very easily. So these are just examples of these e-commerce websites. So now the next tutorial we'll be looking at how to create this type of websites. This is just an overview of what we'll be creating. You can see that if you look at this, in the next tutorial we'll see how to create this website, how you put your WhatsApp number, you upload your logo, your cover picture, then upload your upload your products. You understand? Once you upload your products, this is your domain name. Once you upload your product, you can be able to share your link to everybody, either in a group or your contacts, or you can be uploading it on your status every day. Anybody that is interested in buying your product will just click on that link and boom, it will take him to your store. So I hope we understand what this mini WhatsApp e-commerce is. So where they will contact you directly will be WhatsApp, but it's here that they will be able to check your products you have, the prices, and they'll be able to select the products they want to buy and then add them to carts. So if they want any products, they will just hit your WhatsApp but they will just hit the WhatsApp button and they will chat you directly, and it will show you what they want to buy. So for example, let me see, you can see this globe black soap is available, right? I'll add to cart. You can see 3,000 naira. So I'll come to cart. Sorry, I have not added it to cart. Add to cart. So add to cart. How many do I want to add to cart? 1, 2. Okay, maybe only 2. Let me see. 2. So let me close it. If I come to my cart, you can see I have this. So the total of the two cost me 6,000 naira. I'll continue. So you can see, select delivery location. I'll select my delivery location. I'll say okay. I'll click on this. You see, west location within west is 1,200 naira for shipping, while location outside west is 1,500. Free for orders above 1,200. So you see, since my order is above 1,200, I have 6,000 naira order, so I'm entitled to free shipping or free delivery. So I'll continue. Sorry, I have not selected my delivery location, so I'll select my delivery location. So I'll continue. So once I continue, I'm not ready to buy anything, that's why I don't want to continue. Once I continue, it will take me to the next step. So that is how you create. That is how your e-commerce website will be operating, and you don't have to pay anything for it. You don't have to pay. So in the next tutorial, I'll be looking at how to create this type of e-commerce website. So please stay tuned, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question, you can drop your comments below. And if you have any recommendation for me, you can also kindly drop a comment below. Thank you for watching.